Hey guys, this time we're taking a trip to Jacksonville, Texas, home of the world famous Tomato Festival. At least I assume it's world famous. And ironically, we're going to be taking a look at a place that's right behind that mural that I'm standing in front of. It's the local antiques mall. And look at this place, it's huge. And that's just one side of one aisle. When you get to the last aisle, there's this mysterious place that's full of mystery boxes. Each one of the stalls includes a mystery box or two, and you have to be savvy about how you find these things because I've gotten burned on that a few times before. You might think, I'll go buy what feels like a good heavy box, or I'll go for something that's in my price range. This time I decided to do something conceivably a bit smarter, and I looked at the stall number on the side of the box and went and compared that to the actual stalls in the store. And I found this beauty. It was $5. It was from stall 22, which is my favorite stall in the mall, and I grabbed it up right away. When I bought it, the lady at the counter asked me if I wanted to keep the googly eyes. Even though I honestly did, I felt a bit embarrassed to say it, so when I told her no, I didn't want the eyes. Was this a good bargain, or did I get ripped off? Come along with me as I open this beauty up and we can find out together. So here it is. The $5 mystery box from stall number 22. My favorite store in the Citadel. And so it's time to just go ahead and cut this puppy open and see what's inside. I hear YouTubers all the time say, I'm doing this through the camera, so it's really hard. And that always sounds weird, but guys, I'm trying to do this through the camera and it's really hard. Like sometimes I'm looking through the viewfinder on the camera and sometimes I'm just looking over at the box itself as I'm doing this. So there we go. I feel like I should do one of those Bringus things where it's like, let's find out what's in the $5 cardboard box. Oh, but you know, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna open it up. Oh, so right there. Thanks for choosing our mystery box. It pays to shop booth 22. That's great. $2 bill. Let's see here. Ooh. Entertaining trip and traveling. This is already pretty cool. So, let's see here. Yeah. This is pretty cool. And there's another one behind it. These are cool. I might have to find a place to hang these up. Okay, and then going from there, I could tell this was big and heavy, so I figured there was books in there. So history of 109th Evacuation Hospital. Oh, so like a MASH unit. Except instead of the one in MASH, it's the 109. So I forget off the top of my head which one the MASH unit was from the TV show MASH, but I don't want to. I think I know, but I don't want to say and have somebody tell me that I got it wrong. So I'll just leave it open in the comments, and you can tell me in the comments what the right answer was without me making a fool out of myself first. Field artillery. U.S. Army Training Center Field Artillery book. That is pretty cool. This is cool. Alright. So there's that field artillery book, and then so those just fell on the floor. The early paper money of America. Oh, that's funny because that goes with the $2 bill that came out earlier. Especially poignant right now with American paper money evolving the way it is, with people talking about $250 bill, and the less said about that, the better. But yeah, looks interesting. We'll definitely check that out. And then Air Force One, the final mission. Ooh. Cool. Cool. Yeah, I'm always interested in the history of Air Force One and Marine One, which is the name of the helicopter that the president flies in, if you didn't know. Ooh, an anatomical model book. That is very cool for somebody like me who has an art degree and does anatomical reference sketches from time to time. Shout out to Dr. Starbuck from the Art Institute, my life drawing instructor. Marine Corps Gazette, also very cool. And then another copy, and then another copy, and I think it's just going to be this the whole way down, but that's fine. Marine Corps Gazette. Okay, very cool. Alright. Yes. Very nice. And ultimately, very good value for $5 on a $5 mystery box. I did not get scammed out of my money. I got a good value for the money. Thanks for watching, and y'all take it easy.